Oh hey, what's up you guys? Today we're gonna be doing a Cardi B inspired makeup tutorial from the iconic music video that they just dropped yesterday, WAP. Oh my god, I got this song on repeat like just the beginning, of the song. Ooh, fire. Okay, let's get lit. Since I do like to use a lot of powders, I'm gonna tone it down by priming with Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in number 6. This is just gonna give the skin a very natural glow. For toner, I use my Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. And for moisturizer, I use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I pretty much just put this in the center of my face a little bit and on cheekbones. Sorry, I was a little distracted. That music video, Cardi B and Kylie Jenner, I need a brown wig. Not like a dark brown wig. I need that beautiful like chestnut brown. And obviously this is all thanks to Erica Pearl. Like, she slayed all their looks. Well, I don't know if she did all. I feel like she did Cardi B, but she slayed. So this is just a Wet n Wild. It's just a flat top brush. And I'm blending out that Charlotte Tilbury product. Foundation we're gonna be using is the Pat Mcgrath. Oh my god, so I went on Erica Pearl's page, right? I wanted to see what she used. Like, I was just curious to see if I have any of that stuff. Everything she used was from Pat Mcgrath. Like, wow. The foundation, the concealer, the eye, like, she used everything, blush, all that stuff. That's something that I've been dying to do on my channel. I want to do like a full face of one brand, but that shit is hard. Like, you really, oh, that's so much makeup to buy. You know what I mean? Because I have a lot of, oh no, I have a lot of makeup, yes, but I don't have a lot of one brand. Like, I do, but I don't have like, oh, like the whole collection of one brand, you know what I mean? But I would love to do that one day. I'm gonna use my Pat Mcgrath concealer in M18. I'm so happy that like all this new music is coming out, and you know, they're just really serving looks in their music videos. And it just inspires me so much. It's just like to execute something like that. It's a really good feeling. That's how I feel when I do a makeup look and it comes out so f***ing bomb, or if I'm just taking pictures for Instagram and it's just coming out really, really well. So to contour, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. concealer in Rich Ebony. Yeah, but that's exactly how I feel when I execute a certain look. When it comes to my freelance business, I wanna focus more on photo shoots. Like, I really want to do photo shoots because I did a few this past week and they came out so good. The only thing that I will say, it was a little, I feel like I just really have to work on my speed, because you know, if a person has a shoot later on in the day, I do your makeup early, certain things are gonna, you know, break up. And you know, if you don't know how to properly touch up your makeup, then by the time you're gonna take your pictures, it isn't looking as flawless as when you first got it done, you know what I mean? Because things start to wear off, you start to sweat. And just to highlight a little bit around here, I'm gonna use my Pat Mcgrath concealer in MD23. I want a pretty bright under eye, so I'm gonna go in with another e.l.f. concealer. This one is the hydrating one, and it's in the color light beige. Watch me blend this out. After all that blending, we're gonna go in with the new Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey. I'm really excited about this translucent powder. It's the perfect banana color. Like, it's so freaking good. I'm gonna use two Charlotte Tilbury bronzers. These are the new big bronzers that she came out with. I got it in the color number 4 and number 3. These bad boys are freaking beautiful. I would have been fine with number 3, but I bought number 4 first, thinking that number 3 wasn't gonna be dark enough, but girl, it's dark enough. Right now, I'm mostly dipping into number 3, and I'm just doing one little tiny tap on 4. You see how dark that is? Her blush wasn't all that crazy in the video, so I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Petal Poppin'. You know, lights tend to like wash it out, so I really want it to come out in my pictures, and I want you guys to see it. But in real life, if you want to wear this look in real life, don't put this much blush on. I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. I really want to get rid of that powdery residue. Finally, we're going to move on to the eyes. Okay, so before the eyes though, I actually forgot to apply a little bit of powder blush. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe face palette. This is the 8M. And I'm just gonna go in with the pinky color. This is really cute. Really cute. I love that it's not super matte and it's not glittery. It's a beautiful satin finish, so that helps the skin not look so powdery. Oh, I love this color so much. I'm gonna prep the eyes with some P. Louise eye base in Rumor 5. I just opened this one the other day and it smells so good. I'm super obsessed with it. The first color I'm gonna go into is Summer Yum with a Morphe M505. So oh, this is darker than I thought. Or is it just the motherfucking primer that's just giving this some crazy ass pigment right now? That color, wow, that color looks a lot warmer in the pan. So I'm going lightly with that. It's like when you swatch them, they don't seem super pigmented, but just putting it on the brush, it's crazy. Or is it the primer? I don't know, because this is only my second time using the primer, and this is like the first time I'm using this palette, so I don't even know. Let me see what this color is fucking with. Wow, what the f***? Yo, you swatch these eyeshadows and they look so like no pigment, very powdery, but when you apply it with a fucking brush, or maybe it's the base, wow. This is a pretty ass color too. Caramel, no. Candied peach. It's a pretty ass color, yo. So now I'm gonna need an orange. I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona Safari palette. I'm going with Tribe. I'm gonna switch my brush to a Mikasa brush. In my Viva palette, I'm gonna go in with Pasha. I'm going back in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Every time I open this, I'm gonna go in with the color Bellini. Oh my god, I don't even need to wet this bitch. This palette is bomb. For that infamous ass wing, I'm gonna use a cream liner today with an angled brush. This brush is from Lena Lashes, is E1. I need to add a little bit of pink on an eyeshadow because I'm really looking at it, at hers, and it's more on the pinkish rose gold side and mine is more gold. So I'm gonna go into Just Peachy and place it on top. Oh my god, yes, this is perfect. So now I'm gonna take that same Pasha shade from the Biba palette, and this is just a this is a Sephora brush in 41. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be back with some lashes and I'm gonna show you guys the lip. The lashes are on. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. I don't have the box of the lashes, so I'm just looking for the name. I got these from the beauty supply also, but they are the Envy Extension Curl. The style is in KLEC05 and it comes in a burgundy box. And it's the C curl. So yeah, now we're gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna line my lips with my Sephora Collection Molasses Lip Liner. Fenty lipstick in single. Anastasia Beverly Hills Tara lip gloss. Okay, you guys, this is a completed look. I can't wait to go and take pictures right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Give me a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're not. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. In this house, there's some hoes in this house.